While some models of LG TV allow you to connect Bluetooth headphones directly, it doesn't guarantee perfect visual and audio sync, which can become a real pain when watching TV. Like this.
Are you Roma, Gypsy?
Why do you ask?
Well, what people say about...
What?
So to eliminate the possibility of having audio lag issues, we recommend going with something like this. Bluetooth headphones and adapter set that has built-in low latency technology. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up a headphone like this. If you already have a sound system connected to your TV, we'll also show you how to get it to work with the headphones. Before we begin, remember to click the subscribe button below to keep up with our product updates and discount promotions. Alright, first, you'll need to check the side and the back of your TV. Figure out what type of audio output you have. There are three main types: digital optical, auxiliary, and RCA. We recommend going with optical for better sound quality. Once you've figured that out, take the corresponding audio cable and connect your adapter to the TV. Next, connect the adapter to a power source and turn it on. Finally, take the headphones and turn them on as well. It'll automatically connect to the adapter base.
Avantree. Connected.
If you're using either the auxiliary audio out or the RCA audio out, you should be able to hear your TV now. If you're using digital optical, please go into your TV's audio settings menu and change the digital audio format to PCM. For users who already have a stereo system plugged into the TV, all you have to do is plug the stereo's audio cable into the output port on the adapter tower. The pass-through feature of this particular product will allow the audio to come through the headphones and your stereo at the same time. Alright, now let's give it a test run.
Why do you ask?
Well, what people say about...
Still not sure? Leave your questions in the comments section below. We'll get back to you within 24 hours. Fed up with these traditional headphones? Check out our newly launched Avantree Taurus, your personal 3D surround theater. Thanks for watching.